Good morning, my DGens. How is everybody doing out there? Halfway through the week already, guys. How's it going? How's it going? Let's get into it here. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your research out there, okay? Also, guys, check out the channel sponsor, L Bank. Link is down below for that. Do your spot trading, leverage trading, copy trading, no KYC required. And I did an article last night on the live stream covering their Launchpad program. Fantastic opportunity to make some extra money. So check that out for sure. Also, guys, if you want to be a member of the channel, $4.99 a month. You get exclusive content, early projects. Just super excited about a project video that we uploaded for the members yesterday. Super bullish on that project, super early. Awesome opportunity, guys. So that's what you get. You get early access to that stuff. You get exclusive access to one-on-ones with me where you can pick my brain. We can look at your portfolio. You can, if you're newer to crypto, guys, and you have a lot of questions, there's things that you don't quite understand, it's a good opportunity for you to do that, to be able to talk with me for an hour and ask the questions that you have and have things explained to you in a way that you can kind of get them. And so it's really good for newcomers to the asset class. And you also get updates on my portfolio, when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm DCAing, and when I'm bailing on a project. So check that out. And it also supports the channel, guys, right? So let's get into it here. Glimmer having a bit of a pullback after a pump yesterday, down 6.2%. Taraxis having a bit of a correction, down 5.1 cents. Quant, I told you guys when Quant was 86 bucks, it was a good DCA opportunity. It's up to 90. It's still a good buy though, guys. Quant is still a good buy at 90 bucks. BTC was pressing at 27,000. We're holding 26.8 right now. Algo having a nice little pump today. What else is going on? What else do we got? Look at this nice green day. Dion Protocol having a little bit of a correction. Jasmy's even on the day. So, guys, for my DCA picks, obviously we're going to have to go with Glimmer, Taraxa, and Casper. Pretty obvious at this point. But good DCA opportunities on all three of those. Let's get into this here. Some on-chain AI, a little bit of an update here. Another project we're super bullish on. In the upcoming days, we're preparing to roll out several key updates. This will kick off with a surprise for OCAI holders, followed by insights into the on-chain AI mainnet, on-chain utilities. As we step into a lively October, we're also launching a market campaign specifically tailored to spot our imminent mainnet, new release, and more during this period. Stay tuned. Excuse me. The future is on chain. Guys, very bullish on this project. We've done videos on it. Go back and check them out for sure. What else do we have going on? Breaking: Coinbase receives a regulatory approval for the Bermuda Monetary from the Bermuda Monetary Authority to enable perpetual futures for non-US retail customers. Coinbase continues to expand. We just did an update on them yesterday, applying for a license in, I think, Spain, I want to say. But check that out in yesterday's video. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, is reportedly considering filing for a spot Ethereum ETF as well. So guys, if BlackRock does follow through with this, that you're pretty much guaranteed to get the Ethereum ETF as well. So because if BlackRock wants it, BlackRock's going to get it eventually, right? And guys, this is the thing. I've explained this before, right? People are all worried. Oh, bank, Citi's creating, their own cross-border payments coin, or this bank's creating their own guys, the problem with that is that it's not an open ledger, right? That's what's being missed when people are talking about this story, is that if Citibank, let's say, builds a cross-border payment coin, right? Ledger. Okay, but that's fine, but they control it. They're a centralized controlling figure for that coin. You run into the exact same problem you do with cash at that point. Other banks have to be able to trust the entity who's in control of the coin, which means in this case they'd have to trust Citibank, which is the same problem that they had, which is why they created Nostro Vostro accounts in the first place, guys, is because they wanted confirmation of transactions. They wanted to make sure that the money was there, because banks don't just trust each other, especially especially like international banks and stuff like that. They're not just going to trust each other, right? So you run into the same problem with cash, with this coin, this cross-border coin created by banks that you had with cash. Banks just don't trust each other. So it's fine if the bank wants to move money cross-border within its own systems, but other banks aren't just going to trust it. That's not the way that it works, right? So, like, listen, I want you to listen to this.
For Citi token services for cash and for trade. So now what we can do is we can move tokenized deposits around Citi's corridors. Right now it's just US and Singapore, with aspirations of adding another 3 to 5 in the next near term. Well, it's great that we have this internal token, but our clients don't want a Citi token or another bank token. What they want is cross-bank, cross-border liquidity. So it's key that now that we have the infrastructure of the platform built internally, we work with like Regulated Liability Network and other participants about how do we solve these difficult issues as an industry. And there's still a lot of questions out there, but this FMI that RLN aspires to be is extremely positive, because
that's what I'm saying to you guys, right? Don't listen to these people that are like, oh, the bank is going to make XRP, Ledger, and Ripple irrelevant and blah, blah, blah. They're going to create their own. No, they're not. It has to be open source. It has to be permissionless. It has to be free for anybody to use. It cannot be controlled by one bank, because other banks simply will not use it. Bottom line, right? Breaking, Crypto.com had today announced it has teamed up with PayPal and Paxos to establish Crypto.com as a preferred PayPal USD PYUSD exchange. XRP's moonshot moment, Ripple IPO valuation set to skyrocket 20x to $600. I'm going to read this, guys, and then I'll give you my thoughts on it afterwards, okay? The recent legal turnaround for Ripple XRP has led to a ripple effect of, pun intended, I suppose, of possibilities that could potentially reshape its financial standing in the cryptocurrency realm. This pivotal development has discussed in a tweet by Colin Brown and alluded in our recent posts on Ripple, brings to the fore the rising speculation of a looming initial public offering, IPO, sorry. As we delve deeper, the focus sharpens on how this legal triumph could stir a notable valuation crescendo, spiraling Ripple stock value to new heights. Laying the groundwork, Ripple's legal victory. Ripple's decisive victory win has ushered in a fresh wave of optimism among blockchain enthusiasts and investors alike. The victory not only augments Ripple's legal stance, but sets a fertile ground for building IPO whispers. The precedent of a steady support level of 50 cents for XRP in recent times manifests a fortified resilience, now bolstered by a legal endorsement. IPO chatter, the $1 milestone beckons. Amidst the rejuvenation in confidence, the chatter has gravitated towards the feasibility of XRP gracing the $1 valuation mark. The imminence of the Ripple Proper Party event on September 29th has seen a catalyst in fanning the flames of these IPO speculations. Seasoned Wall Street analyst Linda P. Jones underscores the potential spike in Ripple's stock value post-IPO, drawing a parallel with Coinbase's IPO narrative, thereby entrenching the growth IPO anticipation. valuation escalation. Coinbase as a benchmark. The comprehensive breakdown by Jones illustrates the compelling forecast of Ripple's valuation trajectory post-IPO. By aligning Ripple's outlook with Coinbase's post-IPO valuation spike, a conducive environment for the substantial valuation surge is envisioned. The vast reservoir of XRP held in escrow, with the valuation hovering around 21 billion, underscores the undervaluation discourse. Drawing a parallel, if Ripple mirrors Coinbase's IPO pathway, a whopping 20-fold increase in stock value to nearly $600 per share is on the horizon come September 29th. This potential valuation spike is uncensored by legal clarity, substantial XRP reserves by burgeoning IPO speculations. This commentary further amplifies the IPO buzz, intertwining legal victories with market speculation, propelling Ripple into new realms of financial valuation and market stature. So this is where people get confused about the proper party, and also confused about the Ripple IPO valuation. A lot of people think that Ripple announcing an IPO is going to send the price of XRP skyrocketing. Why would it? Why would XRP's price, Ripple stock? Yes, I could see Ripple stock going to $600 after they've gone IPO, after they've gone public. Absolutely. I think Ripple's going to be one of the blue chip stocks that people buy, right up there with like Apple and Microsoft and all that stuff, right? Meta, whatever, right? It's going to be one of the primary stocks, in my opinion, for sure. But why would it send the price of XRP? That doesn't make any sense, right? XRP, the coin, has nothing to do with Ripple, Ripple shares, Ripple stocks, or Ripple going public. It doesn't mean anything, right? Other, like, it might in the future create FOMO for companies to want to use the XRP ledger for sure, and that eventually would help increase the price. But if Ripple announces an IPO, it's not going to immediately send the price of XRP anywhere. Not in my, maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll see a 5% spike or something, but we're not going to see $1 because of it. Like, people are just out of control with this. Proper party is going to cause the price of XRP to spike to $1 or more. I keep trying to, curb your guys's expectations, because honestly, at the end of the day, with this party going on, I wouldn't be shocked if during or shortly thereafter, as in like the next day, I wouldn't be shocked to see the price of XRP fall. In fact, I might even just put in a short, because people are going to be disappointed that it didn't spike, and they're going to sell, and then the price is going to drop, right? So that's what I think is going to happen. So if you want more XRP, what I would be doing, not financial advice, but if I had dry powder on the side, I would be waiting for that party to happen, because I honestly think we're going to see a bit of a pullback in the price of XRP, because people pull temper tantrums because they build up their own expectations that the price of XRP is going to go up to $1 or higher. Like, no offense, like, I like Alex Cobb, for example, but the kid is just going crazy with this whole thing. Like, I think it's driven him insane a little bit. He thinks that the price is going to skyrocket during this party for some reason. I don't know how it's realistic for him to think that. They cannot announce a settlement because, listen, why would I went over this yesterday, why would the SEC not announce the settlement? Gary loves announcing settlements. He likes to word things. He likes to manipulate the words in these situations to make it look like he won, right? So why would he hold back on announcing a settlement for Ripple to announce it at a party? The truth is, he wouldn't. There's no reason for the SEC to not announce that they've come to a settlement agreement with Ripple so that Ripple could announce it at a party. That's like, it's unrealistic for anyone to think that that's a thing that would happen, first of all. Second of all, they're not going to announce, in my opinion, an IPO. Just like John Deaton said too, it's highly unlikely, not impossible, but it's highly unlikely that Ripple's going to IPO, go through the SEC to apply for an IPO while in the middle of a lawsuit with the SEC, right? That probably won't come till after, well after the lawsuit is settled, right? You know, the only thing I can think of, guys, in realistic terms, in terms of announcements at the party, maybe some partnerships with some banks or some companies or something like that. That's a possibility for sure, right? And that might spike the price a little bit of XRP, but it's not going to go to $1. Guys, if Judge Torr is saying that the secondary market sales of XRP are not securities, if we won what mattered in that case, essentially, guys, we won that case, okay? Let's just say that. Essentially, we won that case because we won what mattered in that case, okay? If that didn't send the price to $1, why would a party send it to $1? You know, don't build yourselves up, because a lot of people are going to be angry. They're going to be angry. They're going to be saying, you know, these people like Alex Cobb told me that the price was going to go to $1 and it didn't go to $1, and now I'm angry and I'm going to sell my XRP because of it and stuff, right? Wait for the dip. And there's going to be a dip, in my opinion, because people are going to pull temper tantrums and they're going to sell off because they built up their own expectations and the price didn't spike. And that's your opportunity to pounce and buy their anger, right? So that's why you got to keep emotions out of this market. That's my prediction for what's going to happen. And guys, I could be wrong. I'm not perfect. I don't know everything, right? But that's what I think is going to happen. Anyway, enough of my ranting. Microsoft plans for crypto wallets in gaming. In a world where technology and finance often intersect, the recent revelation of the cryptocurrency community buzzing with excitement and speculation, Microsoft, the tech titan, might be on the brink of reshaping the cryptocurrency landscape with potential implications for crypto assets. Unveiling the secret, a series of internal Microsoft documents which unexpectedly emerged on the Resetra Gaming forum have given us a glimpse into the company's future plans. These documents, dating back to May of 2022, intriguingly hint at Xbox's roadmap, which includes support for cryptocurrency wallets. One of the leaked quotes from the documents reads, "Several documents submitted to in the court proceedings related to our proposed acquisition of Activision Blizzard were unintentionally disclosed." This was further elaborated by Phil Spencer, the head of Xbox, who mentioned, quote, "I know this is disappointing, even if many of the documents are well over a year old and our plans have evolved." End quote. The glimpse into the future. A leaked document paint a picture of holistic digital ecosystem that Microsoft envisions. This ecosystem, expected to be rolled out by 2028, promises to be a blend of consoles, mobile devices, web interfaces, handheld gadgets, PCs, and even a cloud-based console. The cherry on top, integration of cutting-edge artificial intelligence, the machine learning capabilities. Spencer further added, quote, "It is hard to see our team's work shared in this way because so much has changed and there's so much to be excited about right now. In the future, we will share the real plans when we are ready." The wider crypto canvas. The cryptocurrencies market, known for its volatility, has seen its fair share of highs and lows. Over the years, whispers of the tech juggernauts like Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Google parent, and Meta, formerly Facebook, diving into the crypto realms has been persistent. While financial giants from Wall Street, such as BlackRock and JP Morgan, are cautiously dipping their toes into the crypto waters, Silicon Valley has remained apprehensive. This caution stems from past endeavors like Facebook's thwarted attempt to launch a Bitcoin-inspired stablecoin. The global financial watchdogs back in 2019 united to halt Meta's aspirations of a private cryptocurrency, fearing its potential to rival traditional financial institutions. The conclusion: Microsoft unintentional leak has added a new dimension to the crypto discourse. As we stand at the crossroads of technology and finance, the potential marriage of mainstream tech platforms like Xbox with digital currencies could signal a transformative phase for the world of cryptocurrency. So very, very interesting, you guys. Could be extremely bullish for crypto, another step forward in adoption. Definitely something to keep your eye on. I'm very bullish on it. That is all I have for you guys this morning. Smash the like, smash the subscribe. Sorry, guys. Smash the subscribe. Make sure, guys, because we're trying to make our way to 1,000 subs. It would greatly be appreciated if you could help get us there. We're getting so close, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check the link down below for channel sponsor L Bank. And also, guys, again, check out the member side. Supports the channel, $4.99 a month, and you get exclusive content, early gems, super early projects, AI projects, metaverse, gaming, you name it, layer 1s, layer 2s. You get in on those projects super early. We do deep dives into them, so don't miss that. You also get one-on-one time with me, which is fantastic for people who are newer to crypto, guys. It's definitely worth your investment to be able to ask all the questions that you want, to be able to get the answers so that you fully understand what's going on, in this asset class, so you can understand with the halving coming up, what to expect with the halving, what to expect shortly after the halving, what to expect during the halving, right? A lot of you have not experienced this yet, and if you want an inside look at what that's going to look like, and so that you can create a plan to take your profits and stuff like that, make sure that you join the member side for that. And you also get updates on my portfolio, what I'm buying, what I'm selling, and when I'm DCAing. So definitely check that out. And it supports the channel, and you guys want to support the channel because you love me, right? So I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.